In this video, I'm going to show you the reports you can run right from your home page. We'll touch briefly on each one and take a look at the key elements that will help you manage your business. Let's start with the Sales Roll-Up Report. The main purpose of this report is to give you a quick at-a-glance view of the sales performance of your machines over a given time period. To simplify this demonstration, we're going to run the report for all machines. We'll keep the date range at the default, which is the last 30 days. We want to group the report by device, so we'll check this box. The default format is an Excel spreadsheet. However, I will show you the report in HTML format, so I'll select that option here and then click Run Report. Now, let me go over the key elements of the page to get you familiar with it. First, notice the header above each device. If you have added these details to your devices, the information will appear here on the report to help you know precisely the machine you're looking at. If you need to know how to add this information, watch our video Setting a Machine Location, available on the Help Center of the Cantaloupe website. The next thing you'll notice right away are these percentage numbers enclosed in parentheses throughout the report. Each column value is a portion of the total sales for the time period. So we're showing you the percentage that each column total is of the total sales. You can see that the total sales value is 100%. As with most reports in Seed Live, you can sort your data by any column by clicking the header name. Click once for descending order and again for ascending. Finally, the buttons up here in the corner allow you to do several things with the data. The first button refreshes the data in the report. If you've had the report open for a while, you can get updated sales information by refreshing the page. This button enables you to save the report configuration in Seed Live for future reference. Clicking the button will take you to a page where you can name the report. Type in a name and click Save, and you'll navigate to the Saved Report screen. To find your report here, click the User Define tab. You can see the report we just created. Click the Report link, and it will run the report immediately without having to reset all your parameters for it. The rest of the icons represent the various report formats to which you can output the data. There are icons for PDF, Microsoft Word, Excel, comma-separated values, and JSON for outputting the data to another financial application. Let's go back to the home page now and look at the next button. The Device Health Report is one that can be added to your report register if you'd like to receive it by email on a regular basis. To learn how to set that up, watch the video The Report Register. Again, you can find that video in the playlist available through our Cantaloupe website. We configured the link to this report to output the data immediately to an Excel spreadsheet. You'll need Microsoft Office and/or Excel installed on your computer to open the file. What will happen is your computer will download the report from the server, and you should see it at the bottom or top edge of your screen, depending on which browser you're using. Click the download link to open the file and wait a moment for it to load. Then click the Enable Editing button to display the data properly. As you can see, the report is pretty wide, as there are a lot of data points on it. However, you can quickly see how your machines are doing by focusing on the number of days columns. For example, the number of days since the last call-in, or the number of days since the last credit transaction. Ideally, you'd like those values to be all zero, though that is obviously not possible all the time. But if you have a machine you know has normally heavy sales traffic, and it's been several days since the last cashless sale, this report should prompt you to visit the machine to make sure it's working and fix any issues as necessary. So the main purpose of this report is to keep you informed as to how your machines are doing in terms of connectivity and sales. Notice this red message here as well. We'll give you a brief summary of devices that may have issues so that you don't have to go searching through your report to get the information. Back on the home page again, I need to tell you that the Device Exception Report is virtually the same as the Device Health Report, so there's no need for us to review that one. One thing to note about both of these reports, you can determine when Seed Live will tell you about machines that need your attention by setting the number of days parameters for each of those columns. You can do that by going to the Configuration tab and selecting Preferences. Set the number of days in each of these fields as a limit for how long you want Seed Live to wait until machines will appear on the Device Health Report. When you're ready, click the Save Changes button to keep your preference settings. Last, but not least, of course, is the Device Details Report, otherwise known as the Terminal Details Report. This one simply lists all the devices in your inventory and provides detailed information about your devices, including the location and physical address, the make and model of your machines, the terminal start date, etc. In order to see the location information and the machine make on this report, you will need to have added those details on the device configuration page for each one. Again, you can learn how to do that by watching the Setting a Machine Location video available on the Help Center. If you'd like to run this report to display on your screen or another format, go to the Reports tab, click Saved Reports, and click the Device Details link here, or click any of the other formats you prefer. So these buttons make it easy for you to run these reports quickly without having to navigate to another page and see live. And that concludes this video.